One of the most embarrassing times on stage for me was when I had a huge cough attack in the middle of singing on stage in Las Vegas. So there I was singing and playing the piano. I was singing Elton John's song, Your Song, but in the middle of the sentence, I think I just swallowed my saliva wrong or something, and I went into this huge cough attack. And I'm not talking like a little like, I'm talking about that I was like, I hope you don't. Like, it was so terrible. And what happened was it wouldn't stop. So I kept on going. So I'm trying to like even just get my voice back so I can like cough or say something. So I'm sitting there, all these people are watching like in really like disbelief, like, are you okay? But I didn't want to just suddenly end the show and walk off. I'm looking at the DJ, like hopefully the DJ like turns a song on or something because I'll obviously struggle. And so I never caught my grounds again. And so all I did was I just ended the song, walked off the stage quietly, right? Like, and I'm still coughing, and everyone's still just watching. I walk over to the bar, and like, someone walks over, I feel like they have pity. They're like, are you okay? And I still can't talk. I'm just looking at the person like, I share that story because a couple of my performances weren't great, but I still traveled the world and did 2,500 shows all around the world and got paid. I made more than $1 million as an independent artist, and no record label, no manager. Things don't have to be perfect. Just go out there and do it. Comment the word newsletter if you'd like to get free tips and tricks, and I'll show you exactly how I built my independent music career, travel the world, doing what I love.